Hello, today I have seen how to remove duplicate from the array. Okay, write your Java program to remove duplicate. Okay guys, let's start. Write a Java program to remove duplicate from array. Okay, let's start. Create a first main method. Okay, array list. First create array list. Then pass the string. Equal to list. List is equal to array list. Okay guys, let's show a error. Let's check what is error. Syntax expression is after that. Okay. Okay, let's dot add. For example, first second copy and paste 5 times. What do you want to add? Orange, after to add the banana. Okay, then add okay, then add banana, orange, apple, add grapes. Okay, then have to create the linked list. Why I am using linked list? That's remove duplicated. Okay, linked list as said equal to passing the string set is equal to new as set inside a set add a list. ओके, लिस्ट में जो आपने ऐड किया वो अब सेट में होगा. रिमूव द व्हेन टू मेंटेनिंग द ऑर्डर. रिमूव डुप्लीकेट रिमूव करेगा, उसके साथ रिमूव and maintaining when to maintain the order. Okay guys, so then again to bring the array list string without create word without duplicate is equal to new array list. Add the values. Let's check what's it. String list new is equal to array list. Okay, what's it? Okay, string ring. ओके, आपको एक एलिमेंट को रिमूव किया जो डुप्लीकेट था. व्हेन टू मेंटेनिंग द ऑर्डर एंड अगेन टू प्रिंट. Let's run the program and remove element list apple, orange, banana, grapes. Because I am adding the apple to them, but we are showing the output in only one time. When to maintaining the order, then remove a duplicate. Okay. Interview asking about the Java collection. When to asking about Java collection interview related question. Write a Java program to remove a duplicate from the array. Okay guys. Again to run a program. Sorry. And see the output. Yes, apple one time because I am inserting apple two times but removing the element using the linked hash set. Okay, thank you.